fucking pure. Fucking, I'm never coming back to New York during winters in this hostile season. It's fucked up. There's more. They don't stop. Morning, New York day 5. I'm feeling somewhat. I'm definitely not feeling very amazing. I'll tell you that. This whole fucking planning is going so off that's what's like upsetting me. We're not making news of the time. Like we slept off yesterday. We slept on day 1. So everything that I was supposed to do in New York is not happening. So we're going to re-attempt to go see Statue of Liberty and then explore like the Soho area and Greenwich area. So we'll do all of those touristy things for the evening. We have booked 7-course meal in one of these Michelin star restaurants in New York called the Daniel, I think. I'll have to figure that out as well. And yeah, I couldn't check out the clubbing scenes yesterday because we were tired. And I'm not gonna fucking tell you guys that I'm gonna try today because it doesn't end up happening. So we'll just fucking go with the flow. The weather is not good. It's raining. I mean, it's drizzling. Definitely not the right day to go to Statue of Liberty and take a ferry. But dude, what can we do? We have to leave in a few days. I'll show you the weather. Look. So I need an umbrella. And I'm wearing my mink jacket on the wrong day because it's gonna rain, and if it gets wet, I'm gonna be more cold. But I'm grateful that my earmuffs and my jacket are in full sync today. Priorities, my friend. I have my umbrella ready. I got it from the hotel. Oh, we got an Uber. Crowd is coming. Well, wait. You wanna say hi to that? Very rare highs from the husband, but there it is. Priya is here. Let us go. I'm taking the umbrella though. I'll need it for sure. Alrighty, thank you. But I am a dedicated vlogger. I wouldn't do this if I wasn't vlogging. I mean, because Statue of Liberty is great and stuff, but I think I can do without seeing her. It's raining, it's drizzling, it's the worst day to get on a ferry. Gautam, do you want to do this tomorrow? But it's raining. And tomorrow apparently is a clear weather. But we're already here, so Gautam doesn't want to go back because he paid truckloads of money to come here. This is the situation. It is kind of very bad. But I'm glad for the shoes that I wore. Okay, let's go. Let's go see what best we can do. Okay, we got the tickets on to go to Statue of Liberty. I took the 1-hour tour where we basically don't get down from the fucking boat. Oh my god, my umbrella is flying, guys. It is cold. It is very cold. Look around, you can tell. Alright, if you're gonna follow this gentleman.
Like this back. You know, we'll put some mask, okay?
Which way do we go? Pier 16.
Pier 16, straight down.
Alright, perfect, thank you. Oh my god, worse today. I think the ferry is gonna be empty. Who's gonna take a ferry in this kind of a weather to go see Statue of Liberty where you can't even see Statue of Liberty? It's gonna be all misty and whatnot. What a pathetic planning, I don't know. It was a good 10-15 minutes walk to get to this fucking pier. Fucking, I'm never coming back to New York during winters in this hostile season. It's fucked up. See my situation? I want to just keep the phone inside and never fucking take it out again because every time to take out the phone and film, I have to take my gloves off. And it's cold. I woke up hating the day and I'm continuing to hate this day. I'm not grateful that I'm going to go see Statue of Liberty. Dude, who the fuck wants to go see Statue of Liberty in this weather?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen! And for those of you who are just joining us, welcome aboard! My name is Eric and I'll be your tour guide today. Thank you guys so much for joining us here on the New York water taxi. Who's excited to see the Statue of Liberty? Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are starting our tour off strong today because we just left our stop from Pier 16 onto the East River of New York City and are now facing the most famous bridge in New York City, if not the world. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the Brooklyn Bridge!
like the mink? Is it too much for you? It's the mink.
She just
too
loves
much.
the face.
My dog comes to bite the mink.
Oh, she
Thinks it's an animal. She wants to, right?
Yeah.
Because she thinks it's an animal. Yes, I know.
What kind do you have?
Mine is a Tibetan Lhasa with a mix of Russian Terrier. So he's a small one, but he is so cute. But not cuter than her. Oh, all the love for mommy. There right after. Let's start the trials. Who recommended this store to you, Mr. Agarwal? I am Mrs. Rinima.borah Agarwal. Just to correct him, he married me, he forgot. Okay, number 1. Oh, this is so cute. It looks like Dope's younger brother. Okay, can you try the other coat and tell me if it's nice? I'm a good wife. I'm definitely a very good wife. Waiting on the husband to try everything, giving him stuff. What a great wife. Okay, we have one more.
Yeah, but try it with one layer and see how different. Because that XL is gonna be tight here, bro. Unless you plan on, you know what I'm saying?
Losing some weight.
Yeah, get on the trim.
The boy is trying, the girl is waiting. We both are shopaholics, but I am a very quick shopper. I see, I buy. Gautam will try 20 things and maybe buy none or buy one out of it.
And this I don't want.
You don't
You
want
want
that?
it?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
How much is it?
185 for the set.
It's
cheap.
Yeah, take it. This one?
Right, we are here. Here, billing. After 2 hours.
2 hours.
It took so long to stop. We're in the cab, we're heading back home. Seems like we're Times Square, 20 minutes away from Soho. Obviously, the idea was to go around Soho and shop, but the weather, and then it's quickly, what time is it? It's like got dark before 6 p.m. So we have a dinner appointment at 8, and I want to make some changes to the wardrobe before we get in there. So gonna go to the hotel, rest for an hour, and then go. Okay, looks like we're going out for dinner. I cleaned up a little bit more. I just changed the hair and the lipstick a little and changed my earrings. We're going to a really fancy Michelin star restaurant for a 7-course meal, so I want to look like a dessert myself. Okay, here is the OTN, outfit of the night. The only change I have done is I'm wearing the same jacket. I wore a different... God bless you. I wore a different pant. This beauty is from Diesel. It's also the first time I'm wearing her. And then these beauties from Old Dove. How cute is she? Hello, Brian. Oh my God, it's so cold. We made it 4 minutes before time. This is the first time I have come in for a reservation on time. Are you ready with your order? This is what I'm having. This is a French cuisine, Michelin star restaurant. You get 4 courses, 5 courses meals.
Just a la carte. Carte can just order.
Alrighty, thank you. Alrighty, cheers to cheers. Cheers to New York. Cheers to Daniel. Cheers to us being in New York, and cheers to you guys being a part of this whole trip. No, so I was going to do a la carte because I don't think I have the room for a 4-course or a 5-course. What do you recommend for, because you're going to do like a lot of cocktails. So for entree, with cocktails, something to do with chicken because none of us do red meat.
Okay.
So we do chicken only.
We have squire.
We are not doing the 4-course because we just don't have the room for it. Just doing a la carte. I have ordered fancy. Gautam has ordered some vegetable pasta.
Black truffle.
Okay, so I ordered the Long Island float, which is basically fish, if you see here. So well presented. Gautam is having, what are you having?
Risotto.
Risotto. That's black truffle dessert. He is doing his regular chocolate mousse. He's very fond of it, so we're doing that with rice pudding. And look at them, how kind. They knew that I was lactose intolerant, so they got me a complimentary dessert, and that just won my heart. And I feel like I'm gonna come back tomorrow, make a reservation in the dining hall, wear my pearls. And how is it? Does it beat the one in Dubai? Namos? No? There's more? They don't stop. This is how gorgeous the place is. And that's the dining hall straight up. The bar is on your right. And this is where we were at the lounge. You guys have to come to Daniel. It's a French cuisine. But good night, you guys. But wait, not yet. Hang on. I'll go inside and talk to you. You guys, it's 1:14 a.m. and I haven't been able to sleep. We came back from dinner, I did skincare, and Gotham and I were just sitting and talking. It's always nice to be a little tipsy and talk to your husband. Communication in marriage is so important. Alright, anywho guys, it's 2 a.m. almost. I'm gonna have to sleep because I'm gonna try and attempt Pilates tomorrow. I haven't worked out the last 4 days because I was chumming, but I'm gonna have to before I lose all my muscle. I'm also losing a lot of weight because of not eating enough here. Because I'm lactose intolerant, I hate bread and I don't like red meat. So what do I fucking eat in the United States? Like, that's almost all the options everywhere. But yeah, good night.